Perfect research will happen when you choose a perfect topic. One of the biggest challenges for students and researchers in writing a book, article, thesis, or dissertation is selecting a topic. But here's the surest way to define a perfect topic. Try it in several easy and professional steps. Basics of research theory. In the first step, the basics of research theories should be determined and defined. 1. Research problems, questions, and future challenges will be listed here to select the best topic. 2. Literature and concepts will be defined. 3. The research and fieldwork methods will be described to understand the methodologies and fieldwork methods. 2. Rules and permission. Each university or research center has specific rules that the researcher must know and obey. Then, you do other steps to identify research areas, the latest ideas, and potential topics. 6. Identify potential topics. Based on the information that you collected in the previous phases, you should list your favorite, manageable, and available topics. Evaluate each topic. It's time to evaluate your listed topics. Evaluate each subject on these criteria. 1. Originality. Is it unique enough? 2. Importance. Is it worth researching? 3. Literature base. Is there enough literature to build on? 4. Data access. Can you get access to the data and resources you need? 5. Analysis. Will you be able to analyze the data correctly? 6. Personal attraction. Overall, how attracted are you? So now, make an easy decision. The average shows which topic is better to choose.